thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn area will result in debris flows. The debris flows can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of central Larimer County. This includes the following additional locations: Jack's Gulch, Lower Pingree Park Road, and Crown Point Road. Heavy rainfall will cause minor flooding of creeks and streams, roads and roadside culverts in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. The heavy rains could also trigger rock slides or debris flows. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
To speak